I made a little tweak to this OFE NSALA soup recipe and it is the best OFE NSALA I have made in my life. I enjoyed this so well, but some people seem to have a different opinion and I want you to share your own thoughts with me after watching this recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. To make this OFE NSALA soup, I'll be using some assorted meat, some stock fish, everything has been washed. To boil these, I'll be using 2 stock cubes, chopped onions, some salt and water. As always, I will put a list of everything I used in the description box, so if you don't catch everything now, you can always check the description box for the details. I boiled these for about 20 minutes or till soft. Then I'm going to take out the assorted from this stock so that I can sieve the stock just to get something really smooth to start off my soup. For peppers and spices, I'll be using some fresh Uziza seeds. This is what it looks like. If you want really flavorful NSALA soup, please don't skip this. Also using some yellow scotch bonnet peppers. This is the dried variety for flavor. Also adding some Ehuru, that is African calabash nutmeg. This is Uda, that's negro pepper. Just a little bit will go a long way. I added some onions and I'm going to add some water and bring this to a smooth blend. After blending, I am going to sieve just to take out every particle. I want to take this moment to say thank you to everyone who has been watching my videos and supporting by liking, leaving me comments and sharing. I really appreciate your support. God bless you. Now this is a twist. I won't be using yam to thicken my OFE NSALA as it's usually done. Rather, I'll be using aiden, that's cocoyam, which I'm going to blend. I have boiled it. Since it's ready, I'll set it aside for use when it's time. Now to the soup, I added some Uyayak, that's aiden fruit, to my pot, and I'm going to throw back in the assorted and stock fish. Also going to add the stock, that's the water from boiling the meat, the pepper mix which I have already sieved, I added that in there too, some dried catfish, some bonga fish, everything will go in. Now we cover and cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this is looking good. I have some snails which have been pre-cooked and this is a good time to add them. If you're watching this video but you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be a good time to hit that subscribe button because I have a lineup of correct recipes to share with you and I'm sure it is going to be worth your time here. I covered again to cook just for a few minutes and now is a good time to add Ogili igbo. I hope I pronounced that correctly. You cannot skip this step if you want really flavorful, the authentic OFE NSALA taste and flavor. This is the aiden, that's cocoyam that I blended early on in the video and that's what I'm adding now. It will serve as thickener for this soup. I also added some thinly sliced Uziza leaves for some burst of flavors. I'm telling you, this aiden in my opinion worked so well for this soup. I added some ground crayfish too to elevate the taste and this is it. I'm just going to let this sit on low heat for another 3 minutes. I'm telling you, this is good. Look at that, look at that. Now will be a good time to take out the Uyayak now because its job is done here. Let me tell you, this my OFE NSALA soup had me licking my fingers and smacking my lips. It was really delicious, flavorful with the right amount of heat. It was everything I needed at the time I made it, I'm telling you. And if you make yours like this, there will be no regret. You will love it. Let me know what you think, especially about the thickener. Let me know if you like this recipe. Please share with your loved ones so they can try it too. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I enjoyed mine with some pounder yam since I could not pound yam. I will see you very soon with another amazing recipe. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.